day, everyone! I'm Sophia Corral from Grade 4 Jose Rizal under Mr. Richard Elacion. Welcome to Mathematics 4! Today, we will study about intersecting parallel and perpendicular lines using rulers and set squares. Everything we draw starts with a point. It is the most fundamental object in geometry. A point is named by a capital letter. This is read as point P. Next to point is the line. It is a set of points that extend infinitely in both directions. It is named by two distinct points in the line. Given point P and point M, connecting it and extending in both sides will form line PM. This is line PM. Look at the figure and try to describe the points in the line. The figure shows line AB and line BC meet at point B. These are called intersecting line. Intersecting lines are lines that meet at a point. Line R intersects line P at point M. Two lines on the same plane will only meet once. Try to extend the two lines in the next figure. Do you think line M and line N intersect with each other if they extend in both directions? If your answer is no, you are correct. These lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that will never intersect. They have the same distance apart at all times. Distance from point A to point C must be the same with the distance from point B to point D. Compare the figure with intersecting lines. Line LR intersect line RT at point R, as shown in the figure. The intersection forms a square corner or a right angle. These lines are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect and form a right angle. Intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular lines are formed by two or more lines in different settings. After knowing the description of intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular lines, let us practice how to draw these lines using ruler and set square. A ruler is used to measure length and draw straight lines. Set square is a triangular device with one angle of 90 degrees used for drawing straight lines and angles. Steps in drawing intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular lines. Intersecting lines. Step 1. Use any of the three devices to create the first line. Use small letter to name the line. Step 2. Remove the device and create another line passing a point in the first line and put another small letter for the name of the second line. Parallel lines. Step 1. Draw a broken line using the ruler and place one set square as shown in the figure to create the first line. Name the line using any small letter. Step 2. Move the set square sideward, aligning the bottom part of the set square to the broken line to create the second line. Use another small letter to name it. Perpendicular lines. Step 1. Draw the first line using any of the device in any direction. Name the first line with any small letter. Step 2. Draw the second line as shown in the figure, aligning the bottom part of the set square to create square corner. Name the second line with another small letter. Step 3. Remove the set square and extend the line to complete the figure below. Step 4. Draw a small square as shown in the figure as indicator of right angle. Now, let us test your knowledge. Try to answer the following questions. Number 1. Which of these lines pass a common point? A. Intersecting lines. Number 2. Which of these lines meet at a point and produce square corner or right angle? D. Perpendicular lines. Number 3. Which of these lines never meet or intersect in any point? B. Parallel lines. Number 4. Which of the following has the same distance apart at all times? B. Parallel lines. Number 5. Which of the following is not shown in the figure at the right? C. There are perpendicular lines. Did you get all the answers correct? That's great! Now, I will show you some figure and give me the correct answer. Line AB and line BC. Intersecting lines. Line MN and line OP. Distance from point M to O is the same from point N to P. Parallel lines. RS and line UV. Intersecting lines. Line DE and line FG forming right angle. Perpendicular lines. Wow! It looks like you've mastered our lesson. Stay focused and let us try another activity. Given the figure in the box, determine whether the lines are intersecting, parallel, or perpendicular. Write A for intersecting lines, B for parallel lines, and C for perpendicular lines. Line SU and line UV is C. Line UV and line TV is C. Line ST and line TV is A. Line SU and line TV is B. Line ST and line SU is A. Always remember, two lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines, while parallel lines are two or more lines that will never meet and they have the same distance at all times. Two lines which intersect and form a square corner or right angle are called perpendicular lines. And that's all for today. Remember this, math simplifies your life and multiplies your opportunities. Once again, this is Sophia Corral. See you again!